Have you ever experienced watching a teleserye or a movie, mahaba to, bear with me, in which all the cast members are exceptionally good? Yung nalilito ka na kung sino ang babantayan mong character. Bida o kontrabida. O bida kontra bida. O bida-bida. Basta, lahat sila magaling.
A lot of times, Christian, alam mo ba yun? Lalo na with the kind of production and casting ng acting ng mga primetime teleseries ngayon, di ba? From the lead stars all the way to the supporting cast and the minor characters, na kahit konti lang ang eksena, damang-dama mo na umi-eksena sila. This is the kind of chemistry that is found in this drama series where all its characters blend so well together, acting their best and playing their roles perfectly. Congratulations to the entire cast of 2024's Best Ensemble Acting for Television, Lavender Fields.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Jamie Remoquilio.
Maraming salamat po ulit sa Guillermo for recognizing Lavender Fields. Thank you so much. Of course, success po ito ng Dreamscape at isa ito sa mga last brainchild ni Sir Deo. So, Sir Deo, this is for you. And of course, Miss Kylie, Miss Hazel, yung buong team ng Lavender Fields. Siyempre sa mga director namin, Direk Manny Palo and Direk Jojo Sagin. And of course, kay Ate Jody. Ate Jody. Ate Jody. So, maraming salamat po.
Thank you. To the cast. Amazing cast. This is for us. Cheers.
And thank you po sa lahat ng nanood talaga on ABS-CBN, TV5, Netflix. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Christian, it really feels great when we get to recognize our seasoned actors who have been.
This next awardee made a big comeback to primetime drama series through his role as Tyrone de Vera in the teleserye Lavender Fields. His excellent performance as a man trapped between two powerful women has achieved consistent high ratings for the program. 2024's Primetime TV Drama Actor of the Year, Jericho Rosales.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Lani Santiago. And to present a lei for Jericho Rosales is Mayor Marcos Mamay of Nulungan, Lanao del Norte.
Okay. 1999 was the year. So, Guillermo Mendoza Awards gave me a trophy. Nakalagay doon, most promising star in 1999. 3 years after I was Mr. Pogi. I'm here because of, I didn't write anything, but I was like looking at the G, so gratitude is what brought me here to Guillermo Mendoza. I am so honored, just like what Donnie said, so honored to be, on stage and sharing this theater with, great actors and producers, and I just feel so happy because I'm doing, and I'm in this industry na mahal ko. I love my job so much, and I have quit so many times because na burnout. But every single time that I decide to do something, music, Guillermo, you guys gave me an award for music. Kung hindi nyo na po may tatanong, I'm also a lyricist. And then I left again and I did movies, and then you guys gave me an award again. So this is my... anyway, it's just nice to have this kind of support. G for Gantimpala, and ang Gantimpala ng paggawa ng sining ay walang kapalit, but it's so nice to be supported by someone like you guys. And I am asking everyone, let us not allow the flame to die, whether television or cinema, because ang ating kultura ng paggawa ng sining ang bumubuhay sa Pilipinas. So mabuhay ang TV, mabuhay ang pelikula. Thank you so much. God bless you guys.
Congratulations, Jericho. Our next awardee has always raised the level of acting in every character she plays. Her duality as Jasmine Flores and Lavender Fields was so impressive that it earned the nod of the Guillermo Foundation. Congratulations to our primetime TV drama actress of the year, Jody Santamaria.
More awards, more recognitions, plus one musical tribute for a top-notch maestro.
Narinig ka? Kinabahan din naman siya. Pumunta. Sabi ko.